Then how do you say to attain moksha? Mukti?
Yes?
What is the way to attain moksha?
Right. Please, the question is, how to attain moksha, is it not? I will tell you simple thing to attain moksha. If you are a lovable daughter to your parents, if you are a lovable wife to your husband, if you are a lovable mother to your children, if you are a lovable person to all your friends, if you are a lovable person to all the people in the society, you have reached moksha. Moksha is a stage to be reached while living, not after death. It is to be reached while living. All these conditions put that. You check yourself how far you have attained mukti. You must be a lovable daughter to your parents, a lovable wife to your husband, a lovable mother to your children, okay? A lovable friend to all your friends, a lovable person in the society. If you can satisfy all these things, you have reached moksha.
Is it possible?
Yes? That is why that is why moksha is not very easy. And also people generally think that it is to be obtained after the death. No. It is to be obtained while living. That is moksha.
If our frequencies match with Shankaracharya's or other great people's frequency, then can we attain moksha?
That's what I said. Moksha means, I told you the conditions.
Okay.
Not only linking with the Shankara. You must be in love with all the people you know. The conditions I put, is it not?
Can I say something?
Yes?
It is not possible. He's right. It is not possible. And I'll tell you what is the right way to go there.
Okay.
Is to develop self-love for yourself first.
Okay.
Only then you become lovable to others.
Good.
And you don't have to work on getting that love from anyone. Once you love yourself, others will
All the other loves will follow. Good point.
That is how you get moksha.
Good point. If you love yourself, all the other love will follow automatically.
Yeah, don't
That's the
run after
point.
anybody. It is not about becoming lovable to anyone.
Yes,
Don't run after those things.
that's right.
Just take care of yourself. The only way to moksha is through yourself.
Love yourself.
Not through others.
Good.
It is, that is what the term selfish means.
Yes.
At one level, selfish means something to you, which is the common definition. At another level, self-ish means you are self-oriented. And there's nothing bad in that. If you take society's definitions, then you'll keep running around in circles. You have to find the definitions yourself. In fact, I do not suggest you go for definitions in any book. Go look for the definitions yourself. The only way to moksha is meditation. Go
Good.
within to find the answer. The answers are all inside you. Answers are not outside you.
Good.